Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your coming and gracing this occasion, especially Principal Fazal Ali Saab, Engineer Akbar Sikandar Saab. These are my old students, and the team of Barswat Press Club, especially Chairman Ohib Saab. Why we have arranged this program? So, what is the purpose behind this program? So, Alhamdulillah, last day we successfully completed uploading 1,000 videos to our YouTube channel. Actually, it's a long story. We started a couple of years before. It was not easy task. The day we started, we faced a lot of difficulties. But Alhamdulillah, because I was interested in it and because of the student motivations, I wanted to record some of my sessions, because in the past, as you know, I have been conducting this class for the last 20 years. In the past, we conducted sessions on different topics, like we were more concerned about the international affairs, the current affairs, these kind of topics. Then we started preparing topics and contents on personality development. And in the past we couldn't record it, and I was feeling sorry for that, and then I was feeling the need for that I should record it. Students also urged me, they also suggested me that, sir, if you record it, so students will get a lot of benefits from these contents, because these are important for the students. So therefore we started. In the start, we didn't know how to do it, but soon gradually we learned, and we continued this journey. And first I wanted to upload 5 videos, then 10 videos, then 20 videos, then 50, then 100. Then I wanted to upload 200 videos, then 500, and Alhamdulillah, last day we completed 1,000 videos. So thank you so much. What kind of content did I prepare? So contents are mostly about student personality development. 21st century skills, what kind of skills the student need in this highly competitive world. How to compete at national level, at international level, at provincial level. So mostly I have selected topics and I prepared those topics. Most of the topics are research based. I collected information from so many different sources. On a single topic, I spent hours, and then I prepared the presentation, and I brought it to the class. I shared it with the students who were here. Why did I feel the need for that? Because as you know that I wanted to share my experience, my knowledge, my skills with the students. So I didn't want that my students, they should face the problems which I face in my life. So whatever challenges they will come across in their lives in the future, so they will be able to overcome that easily in their life. So for that reason, I started the YouTube channel, especially Mr. Fazal Ali Saab. He suggested me, he forced me for it. And there was a couple of other students, they also suggested that, sir, you must start it. And Alhamdulillah, I enjoyed the journey, because there were new learnings. I learned a lot. I improved myself. When I prepare topics like what are life skills, what are social skills, what are 21st century skills, and what is critical thinking, what is creativity, what is problem solving skills, what is decision making skills. So actually we have prepared these topics, and these are available on our YouTube channel. So those students will visit the channel and they will watch these, so they will not only improve their English language skills, but it will also bring a positive change in their overall personality. So the topics, the contents are for the development of overall growth and personality of the student. And recently we have also started the sessions on preparing students for different kind of tests, exams, interviews, mock quiz interviews. And we have also started some sessions on running as well, especially marathon running. So those students who are interested in running, and so we have been working on mental and physical growth and development, overall development of the students. Thank you so much for watching and listening.